Hello, hello. This is Pat with Petresca Papers. I am out in the Bluebird Bungalow and I have a project for us, and I'm going to introduce a new kit. And I think the new kit comes before the project because I wanted to have a way to show you how to utilize this new kit. The new kit is a request from one of my Etsy customers who was saying that she had a lot of leftover papers after she makes her little houses, like the Jonquil Cottage or the Bluebird Bungalow, or even way back in November with the Shabby Chic Christmas. So I got to work and came up with extra windows, doors, plants, even some roofs, and there will be some bonus papers. So let's take a look. So first of all, pardon me, I don't know where this frog came from. I've been out working, I guess not talking. I've got a sheet with extra doors, a variety of wreaths for different seasons, some flowers, some green plants of different sorts. I have more windows, some shutters. The shutters are quite big, so you can cut the shutters in half. Some eyebrow windows, dormer windows. Some more different windows, some round windows, and some of the half circle windows. The roofs, I did two styles. I've done them horizontal, and I've included a thatched roof and a shake shingle and a terracotta and a red metal roof. And then for the vertical, I've got a shake shingle, two different ones, the terracotta and a rusty metal. And there are two bonus sheets of paper, which I thought was kind of funny since this is being spurred by I've got too many papers, but I just had to. So they're bonus. There's some vertical and some horizontal. Okay? All right. So that is the kit. It will be available in my Etsy shop. It's a digital kit. It will be called Home Sweet Homes Little Houses Essentials. All right? Now, how to use them other than just continuing onward and making the junk journal booklets, I wanted to give you a different thought about what we could do. So I have been working on a couple of ideas. So this is an envelope, expanding envelope storage, or it can go into a junk journal using the larger envelopes. Here's another version. These papers, this paper, Bluebird Bungalow leftovers with the new roof. Okay. This is the lining from the World Traveler junk journal, cute little suitcase. And again, inside, we've got pockets to tuck goodies into. So I'm going to show you how I did this. You're going to need 4 envelopes. And for those in the US, I'm using the Dollar Tree cheap ones. You can use whatever. You would just need to have like a space here, and even if you didn't, if the V comes down even, you're able to do the same technique I'm going to show you. Okay? So just cheap envelopes. And I have gone ahead and I'm not loving this. I'm not sure why I can't get this shape right. It's like cutting bangs. I keep cutting shorter and shorter. Let's see. It needs to be more. Maybe I like that better. I don't know. But we're stopping now because in just a minute it's going to be committed. So I created this with Jonquil Cottage leftover paper. These are windows from the new kit. I've got the flowers in here. And I'm not loving this rickrack. I wanted it to like look like a vine. I think I'll put another layer of it so it's looking more that way. But anyway, and I wanted to try where these, the roof went all the way to the top. I wanted to see how this would look if I cut that down, and I made a blue sky behind that using some Distress Oxide. I think I used Faded Jeans, and then I squirted it and then dried it. Okay, now for the other roofs, another roof idea, you can always cut the triangle. It doesn't really fit with this, but we could kind of imitate it, and it can come on like that, or the terracotta. Okay, and these I just created me a template, or you could even use, if you've got the kit, use one of the other roofs as a template. Okay, all right, so but first let's create the envelope inside. So we need 4 envelopes. So 1, 2, 3, and this 4th one, and I'm going to show you what we need to do with each of the envelopes. You are going to put glue on this flap and tuck it inside. This gives it some strength because this paper is quite flimsy. So we're not going to do the front of this, but first we're going to attach these together. And what we need to do that, we need 2 pieces, 4 and a half. I believe it's 4 and a half. Let's just double check again. Nope, 4 inches by about 1.5 inches. Is that right? 1 inch and a half, 1.25 inches. And what we're going to do, we're going to use some liquid glue. I've got Art Glitter Glue, and I'm putting glue on the whole piece. I'm not slathering it, okay? So I'm going to slide it down inside, and I'm matching that fold up with that top part of the envelope. I'm not pushing it down on it. And then I'm going to slide it in this way to that one and match them up. Kind of tap them down so that what we've done is connected the inside with that strip. Okay, let's do that with the others. Okay, again, glue, tuck it down in the side of one of the envelopes. Okay, make sure I've got that up there, and then I'm going to slide that down in. Come on. Okay. Whoa. Oh, yeah, sure, like that. That, and then get them down in there together, nested. All right. So we've got two that open up like that. Now we're going to have a center pocket, and it's important that you make sure you have your openings the same way. And I'm just going to put a thin bead of glue around 3 sides so that it will stay open. Okay, they're up, push them together, do some burnishing, just like that. On this side. Okay. So now inside we've got these 2 pockets, these 2 pockets, and this center pocket. And then when we put our house on, now with this, I'm not sure. Yeah, we can still do a pocket there. What we'll do is when we glue this on, I am going to glue here, all the way around here, and up there, leaving this open for a smaller pocket. If you do the whole page like I did on these, you will have a whole pocket there, not just this partial pocket. Okay. So with this one, we've just got that smaller pocket there. And that pocket inside there, and there, and there, and there. And now let's take care of the back. And I did distress everything else, so I'm going to give this a quick distress on the edge. So what would you use this for? Well, tags, those paper clips that we've been making that I've got so many of. Now let's make sure. All right, just down this side, along there. Boy, I'm really good at getting that right along the edge, aren't I? Along here. Okay, and then this. Let's match it up this way. Right there. And there. I cut my paper pretty much to size. If there's anything hanging over, we can always distress it. All right. So now let's stuff a few things in it just so that we have an idea of how we would utilize this. I've got some tags that a dear friend made who's no longer with us. She passed away, and I was given the opportunity to have some of her creations. And then I've got, of course, I've got tons of these. I think I've even got bluebird ones. Let's see, are these the bluebird? Yes, they are. But what we can do is, let's stuff these down in here. And let's tuck this envelope down in there, and a tag. And then down in the center, let's put a couple of these bigger tags. And then we can slide one in there, and one in there, and we can slide one in there. Let's get a smaller one. Do I have a smaller one? Yes, right here. Or do I? I don't have a smaller one. I don't know if I can lay my hands on. Well, I don't. But, ooh, will the envelope slide in there? I think the envelope will slide right in there, yes. Okay, so you can put many things in these pockets and have this awesome little storage that looks like a house. Decorate the back. Do a blue sky if you desire. But anyway, I hope that you like this. I think it's a fun idea and it can grow. Oh, look, see, this is stuck together. So it does expand out like that. Okay, we were just stuck down there. This we want to stay stuck. This is the middle. And then we can wrap some ribbon around it. We can tuck it into a junk journal. All those types of goodies that we like to do. All right. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you subscribing. Give me a thumbs up. It really does help my channel. Give me a comment and ring the bell if you want to be notified whenever I head out to the Bluebird Bungalow to do some creating. Hey, thank you so much. The link for the kit is down below. Check out my other kits if this is your first time here. Thank you so much. I do appreciate you immensely. Have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye.